unboxing video for like months now. Sorry about that because we are busy now since our school is too much activities and too much performance tasks. Now it's finally Thursday and now we can unbox basically some things during the weekends only. So now we're gonna unbox Thunderbirds Argo. There are over 20 actions and sounds. That's one amazing thing to have in the toy. By Toy Triangle, and it was brought by my classmate Maryam Ozair Ahamed. It was her birthday, so that's why she did this for all the boys in my classroom. So I want to say thank you to her for this precious gift. And happy birthday. So inside the box we have like Thunderbird 2 and Thunderbird 4. So first, I never watched this film, but maybe it will be a great movie. So we have five characters that needs to be collected. So today we only have 2 characters which is collected.
What?
So the characters are named. So the first character we have here includes VIRGIL and
Gordon.
So their names, to pronounce it properly,
Yes.
it's VIRGIL and Gorgon. So let's start to unbox it. Are you ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's just use the magical area. No, the tool is the same. So this one. So no, we have. Oh, it's already open. Wait, don't damage the ball. I'm not gonna damage it. 2, 1. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Final opening of this toy. Oh, I can literally see the magical. The characters, they're so small. The characters are so small. So here we have the Thunderbird 2. So that's one of the characters are so small. So
Yeah, because you can go inside.
The landing gears, if you're an expert pilot who knows how to talk for in the pilot voice. There you go, guys.
And
And the stickers. Okay, guys. To make it more and nice, don't forget to add the stickers.
and nothing.
Done.
There's still something here that you forget it.
The wings can be folded. Look at the human.
The figures.
They're so small.
Because they have to go inside.
Wait, guys. Let's see the cockpit. Let's see the cockpit. No,
It's here, the cockpit, in the other side.
Here. No, it's here. Wait. Got it.
Yeah, but it's empty.
There you go. There you go. That's the cockpit. There's the figure. That's the cockpit. There's the figure. This is Thunderbird 4. Wait, I have to fix his leg. There's also a cockpit for him. A cockpit, yeah, for the guy who's blonde hair. This guy who's blonde hair. And this is his leg. Can you fix him? The 2 of them can sit here. Yeah. They're so accurate. They're so accurate. Look at them. I like this one. They're so small. Give me that. I like the guy with the glove. So,
Open it.
let's see what's in. We've got him in. Guys, we've got him in. Boeing Space Shuttle. We have another part.
I think.
Yeah, there's another. See? Why is it so hard? Looks like we have here secret air. Oh, it's not working. It's not going. We're trying hard. We have finally took off
Wow.
the
body.
cargo. Those
So,
you can fit cars.
You can guys open this? I forgot how. I don't know how to open.
I know how to open this.
Oh, there. There you go.
You can fit cars here.
No, you can fit this one.
No.
This one should be in
Yeah, I
here.
know.
This one more.
There's
That's
nothing.
nothing. It's empty box. Oh, it's empty box.
Wait.
So,
What are those?
how you?
Chain.
Wow. Can I see the cat feet? Wow. Where's the human? Where's the figures? Oh, so small.
Figures here.
Wow. They have big cat feet. Wow, this is the cargo.
And this is this place you can keep something.
No, from
here.
up. Kuya.
Oh,
From
the
up.
top.
From the top.
Guys,
So we have to figure out first where's the area
this
to
one.
remove it. How you know this one? No, wrong.
So it should be
No,
in
it's
the
in
down.
the
In the
down.
back. Yeah, this one has to be
Ouch.
here. Okay.
No, it's in the down. The box. Look at the
No,
box.
this one is like that. It's just
It's
like
not,
that. Why is it so? Fitness of this? Yeah, the cargo.
Opposite. I
So there we
Oh.
go. That is one simple job.
think. But you cannot take it out now because you do opposite, I think. Ah, wow. This the way, huh?
And
See?
look at the jack engine.
No, if you open this,
Open the cockpit.
yes, you can open this.
How you open the cockpit? Oh.
But we have to make a battery first also. This one is pressing also. So it should be take it out that one. Okay. Where's the
Oh, see?
okay. And then this the cargo. Should be open it this one here. Omar, this one should be in this area. You see?
Almost killed him.
See, in this area. Wow.
Then
It's so heavy.
It will slide down because
Yes.
it's a water. It will go in water. This is the cockpit. Ready for land.
So, you know the sounds what I was talking about in the beginning. The saddest part, we need to add the battery. But there are also over 20 sounds and actions for the
This is the
The
area
airplane?
for battery.
yeah,
Yeah.
the C-17 looking airplane,
Yeah.
which has a very nice detailed.
So you
Yeah.
just arrange 3AA. Wow, this is the battery
Oh,
area.
it's just 3. That's
3.
easy.
Let's see if we have a spare of battery. 2.
Spare of battery.
That it can be.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, bring the
The
other
other
one.
one is so much.
I like the figure. So cute.
So cute, huh? I thought it's big. In the photo, it's big.
It's so
Yeah.
accurate.
You didn't fix it. Okay, can you?
Ah, the landing
Can you
gear.
pick at this? Okay. Can you show it this? Can you make it? And then yeah, just let it see it and then wow. So this is the cockpit. Okay, how to open it this? Okay. You didn't wear the chair. Where's the other chair?
The other chair.
Yes.
Don't
So
forget about this. This is the something.
Thunderbird 4, come in. Over.
coming. What this?
Yes, over.
It's over. So the other chair, please.
Oh, the other chair fell in the ground. Almost. I want to assemble that.
Yeah.
So make sure to always look.
This one. Where's this one?
There you go. I think it's the handles.
You didn't click. Just clear your hand, please.
It's so sensitive to remove his legs.
Of course.
But the other one. Oh. You know, why does the airplane or the airship looks like a C-17 Globemaster?
Maybe it's opposites. Just
And the cap.
where.
I do not know where to keep this. But it's part. I think it's part of the. So if I would rate this, I would rate it a 10 out of 10.
Wow, it's nice. Thunderbird 2. Can I see the
This is Thunderbird 4.
4? Ah, this one, the Thunderbird 4.
Yeah, he was talking to this. He heard he said
Yeah.
Thunderbird 4.
Yes.
Come here.
So how about the sound? So this one to
Jet
press so that it will go down
But it hurts.
the body.
It's like boom.
Yes. And then this one, the sound, the blush warning. Yeah. But
Like
you don't need to
cargo.
make it. So the sound, only this. I thought it's 20. Oh, yeah. Now press again.
And guys, if you close this, you can pass through a secret entrance.
Yeah.
Then you will jump
It's
in.
nice. Great. So how do you feel? The quality, it's good. It's
The human is cute.
yeah. And
is it
each one
only
have
that?
like this. See?
Not that bad.
Yeah. The human only, it's so tiny. So much tiny. Can I see? See? This is the size of the,
You heard that?
yeah, the figures. The other figures were,
Where's the other one? I think inside the cockpit.
oh, see. Here. And this is the cockpits.
I'm so jealous. I want to go inside the cockpit.
You will like the jealousy. So each one of them have own. See, this is the
Steering,
cockpit.
because this
And this is
plane
the other, the Thunderbird 4.
Thunderbird 4. He was
You will be
talking to this.
delivered to this.
Yeah,
Area.
this is the cargo.
And then when they throw, when they throw,
Every time I move it inside or stuff
Wait,
like
look.
that,
Yes, it's
they will talk. Wait. They will talk to each other. It's accurate. Very accurate. Wait.
yes.
Wait. Take him out.
Okay.
Open him. Open him. I think something will talk to him. Talk to him.
No, not.
We're killing Thunderbird 4.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay,
We
so
didn't save your
you
Then
notice-
you have to
Do you
return
know
back
what I
here.
noticed?
No, 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 not like that. Here, from
It's
down.
like a dog.
From down. And
It's
then,
like a dog.
and then you press like
Oh!
this. Yes. Okay.
No, I'll do it.
Now, now. Bring it up.
Wait, I'll push it down.
No, 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 no. No, no, not now.
No, the plane will go down.
Slowly, it will broke. If you do that, it will broke. Not like that. When it's go down this, that's the time you will press
Hear
it.
that? Todd, it's okay.
Acting number 1.
He heard he has a solar for this. Box.
I don't even heard the real sound
Yeah.
of it.
You heard him? He said box in the cage.
Really? Repeat it again. Repeat it again.
Look.
Wait.
He's talking. Okay, you do it. Wow.
And then
That's
when
their
you put it
essence.
back,
Okay. And then when you do this, just do it this to stand. What they call it? Okay, yeah. No? Ah, it's over 4. Number 4, yeah.
ready, set. Because Thunder 4 is literally inside. He'll be inside here.
Okay.
Go inside. Go inside before takeoff. Quickly put all the inside characters. Okay, except his leg.
His leg.
Okay,
His legs.
now.
Ready? Disengage the pod. Ready
Here?
for takeoff.
Just like
Yeah.
Say but whoa!
The legs.
Whoa! Wait,
Then
I
it
didn't know the
goes.
legs would be that.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you play on this.
And then it will go
And
up.
then when it's go down this, don't make the legs alone. This the engage of the legs. So guys, you have to press this, the legs will go like this. If you make like this, the legs will be
I
the
really
stand
want
will
to
be
end
like
this
that.
video and play it. But I just like have.
You show it to them how to play it.
So guys, as my research in Thunderbirds, I have seen the time they look like dolls. I thought it was an
Yeah,
actual movie
okay.
or cartoon. Okay,
Look, every time when you press this, he will say box
Yes.
cage.
Yes.
no, it's hard
That
in the
means-
cage.
That
Wait,
means
wait,
like
wait,
it
wait,
fall
Omar.
down.
Omar.
Wait.
Okay, let it stand.
Then
Ready?
you throw it. 3,
2, 1. No.
Oh. This vacation, yes. Now he will play. He will come again.
He has a solar.
Yeah, there is a sensor, they call it, not solar. And this is the volume, I think, for this. Now, put it down. You play it, and then... Okay.
Say bye bye. We'll see you on another universe planet Earth.
How about him?
Thunder 4.
Ready?
Oh, Thunder 4.
Get out.
Wait.
Yeah.
There's some
No, no, no. Don't.
Ready?
Okay, like this, baby.
Okay, landing.
Okay. Okay.
Box. Ready? Educate. No, let's throw it when it's landing.
Okay.
Okay, so ready? Now, ready for landing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ouch, Omar.
Because you make it so long. You should, when it stand, that's the time you release. It will broke
Oh
it.
my
But they didn't broke it now. And the thunderbird.
Ready? I'll show you, Omar, how to.
Open this. Open this. Ah, make like that. Okay. Yeah, like this. And
Ready? No, say ready?
Go. Oh. Wow.
Then
No, here, baby. In the front. In the front. In the
I
front.
locked something.
No, in the front. Here. Oh.
No,
Take it out the four.
there's a switch.
Yeah.
I saw the switch. This one. This switch is to pull. No,
To
Omar,
push.
push,
To
do
push
it again.
this.
Do it again.
To push this. Okay, it's close,
Do it
close.
again. Omar, push the switch again. The switch again. Push it back.
No, you have to return him. Return him.
Again. Push him strong. It's
Wait,
here. It's here.
wait. Okay, wait. Close the door. Close the door. Aywa.
Ready?
That, huh? Now, push.
You have
Hard.
to push it from here. But there's a switch here.
No. I saw the switch. Yeah, this one. But it's hard. Maybe because you lock it so much. Okay. Yeah.
See you
this
on
one.
another universe,
Yeah.
Thunderbird
No,
form.
this one. Okay.
Hey, you leave Thunderbird form.
The guys enjoy the game now.
Put his
So,
legs.
you put it back
Ready for
here.
landing.
Then do it and then press. Try to press now. Try to press the back
No,
side.
this was. I think this.
Press the back.
I have to talk to you something. Wait. This thing was up here. I pushed it down.
Ah, okay. Push it. Try. No, not working.
Thunderbird 4, come in. Over.
Number
Thunderbird
four.
4, I'm literally landing.
Yeah. Now there's like, wow.
And then the final touch. Wait, just put the standards on.
No, this one, baby. This one.
Make the
You have
wings.
to base this one.
And then ready?
Bring it down.
Just put it like this. Boom. And then I'll press it. 3, 2, 1, the countdown.
Ooh.
The legs.
Wow.
Whoa. Then it will go out. Okay, so guys, it's pretty fun actually, and we have a nice time, you know, hanging out with you just in the video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also that's for when you're new. And hit that, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And say thank you to my classmate Maryam Ozair Ahamed. And say happy birthday. Bye.
You love it?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. How much the rating of this
I
toy?
already gave it a 10 out of 10.
How about you, Omar?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Do you think we'll give it to the viewers?
No! If you give. Sure, for a bit older. Warning jet blast.
Okay.
It's just so, bye. Jet blast. Bye. We're gonna want to do something. The stickers. Which we'll do later. So, because it's a bit late now.
Okay.
So, maybe tomorrow if we have enough time. So, also, yeah. So, bye.
It's okay.
Slide. Yeah, it's okay.
Without the sticker.